Welcome to a home where rustic elegance meets endless possibilities. Nestled on nearly 2 acres in Radnor, Ohio, this log cabin offers the perfect blend of country charm and modern convenience. From the moment you arrive, the expansive front porch invites you to relax and take in the peaceful surroundings, a rare retreat just minutes from downtown Delaware. Providing ample space for family, guests, or a private home office. The full basement adds versatility, perfect for a recreational area, storage, or your next big project. Step outside to the back porch, ideal for entertaining, quiet mornings with coffee, or summer evening gatherings. This property is part of the highly regarded Buckeye Valley School District, offering excellent educational opportunities while keeping you close to everyday amenities. With 1.963 acres to enjoy, there's room for gardening, play, or simply soaking in the serenity of country living. Sellers have maintained this cabin meticulously, ensuring it's ready for its next chapter. Whether you're seeking a full-time residence, a weekend getaway, or an investment with charm, this Radnor log cabin delivers on all fronts. Don't miss your chance to experience this unique blend of rustic elegance and modern potential. Schedule a showing today and discover the possibilities for yourself.